Mr. Louis Ng.
Since 2011, lorries used to ferry any persons in their rear decks are required to be fitted with canopies. These provide shelter, including against inclement weather. Failure to do so is an offence under the Road Traffic Act. First-time offenders will face a fine of up to $1,000, an imprisonment term of up to 3 months or both. These penalties are doubled for repeat offenders. We take such offences seriously and have been actively enforcing against offenders. For the first half of 2021, we caught 23 offenders with lorries ferrying workers without canopies or without having a sufficiently large canopy to shelter all workers. We will not hesitate to take stern action against the offenders. Members of the public can call LTA's hotline to report any non-compliance with these regulations. That said, we strongly encourage all employers to do their part to ensure the welfare of their workers. In the event of severe weather, we recognize that the canopy alone may not confer sufficient protection from the elements. We certainly do encourage employers to take the initiative to install rain covers. These are typically weatherproof canvas tubs that are installed on the sides of the rear deck to complement canopies, which serve primarily as a roof shelter. Where possible, employers should also consider putting on hold such trips until the heavy rain has passed.